When it comes to running a law firm, there's not one thing, okay? The biggest secret in business is that there is no one secret to business.
Welcome to my legal academy, helping lawyers work smart, scale fast, and enjoy life.
Again, all encompassing, but something I could visually kind of explain the program could be this, okay? When it comes to running a law firm, there's not one thing, okay? The biggest secret in business is that there is no one secret to business, okay? There's no one thing that takes you to the next level. There's a lot of things. And it's not just something that takes weeks or months. We've noticed that most of our case studies, it takes a year, okay? It's constant chipping away, a little of this lead automation, a little bit of team building, a little bit of putting up this client source, a little bit of this, a little bit of that, figuring out our math, getting better at our tracking. It's little by little progress, okay? It's constant progress, little by little. It's like a jigsaw puzzle. So people join wanting different things. Again, it usually comes down to, I need more clients, better systems, better teams, or like, just getting my shit together, for lack of better words, okay? But ultimately it comes down to these 5 things. One is your traffic source, which is basically your client source. Again, helping you get these things set up, however, shape, or form, whatever that's working with Google ads, with Facebook ads, or with YouTube ads, okay? These are the top 3 paid traffic sources right now. At the very least, I force everybody to focus on just one traffic source, make sure that it's working, profitable, tracked, scaled. Then once you're scaling, then it's a sign for you to go set up your second client source. So that's the main client sources. If not, if you want to do organic, well, YouTube, okay? Not TikTok. TikTok is, anything could happen to TikTok any day. YouTube, it's a better long-term place to be. Plant the seeds now, reap the rewards in many years and many years to come. So that's the best organic source, and you need to have your email list, which is probably your most important part of this whole thing. You need to, set up your active campaign or set up Lawmatics to make sure you're also always capturing your leads, contact information, and let's nurture them systematically. So that's the traffic part. Second is the funnel. The funnel, it could either look in the form of a website that you see, or as I shared with you, it could also be inside of the platform itself. For Facebook, that is the funnel. When you capture the leads, as much as I'm concerned, that is the end of the funnel. You capture the contact information. The whole point of the funnel is just to capture your contact information, whether it be through a ClickFunnels page or a WordPress page or your homepage, which is not ideal, or a Facebook lead form, okay? Or TikTok lead form or YouTube lead form. That is the funnel. So we make sure you have one of those sources that you're able to capture leads. Once you capture the leads, well, we need to send automated texts and automated emails. It doesn't matter which tool. Again, I give my recommendations based on things that I hear and know, things that I set up myself. OpenPhone is a really good one for phone service. Or if you have RingCentral, by all means, RingCentral has a Zapier integration, you could do that. And also a tool for you to send automated emails systematically. As soon as somebody becomes a lead, automatic text, automatic email, get in contact with them, and just hand them off to your intakers. Next aspect, which is huge, which is basically your biggest asset for your law firm, is your team. We help you over time build out your team. There's again, system to the madness. There's worksheets that helps you figure out, this is what I'm currently doing. This is the things that I don't want to be doing. This is the things that I can automate. These are the things that I could delegate. Based on that, let's make position titles. This is the places to go hire for VAs. This is the place to go hire if you want to hire people in-house. We provide all those resources and things and help you hire VAs that can help you implement all these things. So that's another crucial aspect of it. And the last part is the math. Bring it down all into a Google sheet to know exactly, this is how I'm generating money. These are the average prices. This is the number of clients that I'm getting per month. This is where my clients are coming from. This is my top line revenue. And this is what the money that's going out. This is my expenses. That leaves me this much profit. That means based on that, I could go spend that much more into marketing, etc. Everybody needs it. Every single one of my businesses has a very cleaned up monthly P&L that I know exactly what's going on. Okay. So if you literally zoom back, look at this. This is it. This is what it takes. And this is what our program is. Okay. And it comes, some people, gravitate towards this. Some people gravitate, set this up. It's an ongoing thing. It's all there as a resource and all that stuff.
Hey, hope you're enjoying the video so far. If you're a lawyer and you're looking to work smart, scale fast, and enjoy life, right below this video, you'll find a link to book a call to speak to my team so we can tell you how we've been able to help over 500 law firm owners scale their law firm. Now back to the video.
Steve asked, can you send me a link to hire virtual intakers? So actually did one of my trainings 3 months ago was about how to build out your virtual intake team. We always put out the information first, like literally always, sometimes 6 months to like a couple of years before. And then now all the other companies and things start talking about it. Ideally, you should not be using a virtual receptionist service to pick up your phone calls. Again, I've been talking about this for years. I did a whole training about this. Okay. So if you use Lex Upload, Lex Reception, Call Ruby, or any of those companies, it's not a sustainable way to be able to sign up clients. It requires explanation, but the short gist of it is it's a very linear, one-sided kind of, there's no follow through with that. If they just take information and there's no follow-up and they're not incentivized to really go sign up the clients. Instead, the ideal thing is to have dedicated intakers, whether it be in-house or virtual. Virtual is a lot more cost-effective. It's a lot more scalable. You have two choices with virtual intakers. One option is I show you how to hire them directly yourself through a platform. That's the ideal way. It's cheaper. It's more, you have better control. You're able to manage them directly yourself. Or if you don't have the time and to be able to go through the motions, then there's also VA agencies. Agencies, they just say, hey, kind of like you're ordering off a menu. I want 2 intakers. I want 2 document collectors. Basically, again, sharing resources for that to how to use those resources to be able to hire for that. David says, I have a call scheduled today with Gene. I have asked several times what options do I have regarding DUI. So again, DUI, as I shared with you, Facebook ads, very dependable source, and obviously Google ads if you're not already. Google ads, I used to do Google ads for DUI 6 years ago. Had a couple of clients doing DUI. I also did it for PI 5 or 6 years ago. Google ads, it's still, if you're not doing it, that's number 1. 2, Facebook ads. Again, if somebody asks about how many leads are you getting and how many clients are you getting from those leads. So about 650 to 800 leads a day, which comes out to about 20 to 25,000 leads a month. And from that, we're about 700 to 800 clients a month. Why doesn't Trademark work as well? The list was mainly in law and lawyers. Yeah, there were some trademark companies that are running Facebook ads profitably, but it's a very optimized funnel and marketing system that they have. So no, could it be profitable? Yeah, but would I make a recommendation right now entering them against them? I probably would not. So yeah, Trademark was probably one of those that I would say probably not for Facebook ads. There's a question about, do you have any comments on training a Facebook pixel? Is there such a thing? How long does it take? No. So back in the day, the biggest benefit of Facebook ads was the targeting. Ever since the updates with the whole beef between Apple and Facebook, targeting has not been an issue, and it's not something rarely do I ever use targeting in my campaigns. The best targeting on Facebook right now is, I'll just share Epiphany, is broad. You just say Facebook, go show it to everybody, and Facebook's algorithm and machine learning is already good. That based on what the ad is saying and what the video is about or whatever the ad is, it knows who to show it to. So the broad is the best targeting on Facebook. The Facebook pixel doesn't nearly matter as much. The only time that it does matter, by the way, but the only time it does matter is when you train your Facebook pixel, you're able to create an event, conversion event. The best conversion event is people that have become your clients. So let's just say you import the list into Facebook and you say, hey, these are 500 people who have paid for my service. And then you create a 5% lookalike based on that list. Now you have a very good qualified list of people to target, which is that's the second most popular audience that I target to. Again, requires more explanation, but that's the gist of it. I just gave you some epiphanies. What about filling workshops for estate planning? Yeah, success. Yes. Again, for generating leads, but now there's a whole system to the madness for the automations and what to do with those leads. And it really comes about converting those leads. But yeah, totally viable. Takes work. I might even challenge myself to lead one of those estate planning sessions. I haven't committed to it yet, but I know, like a couple of months ago, I basically challenged myself to generate leads and generate clients for personal injury and car accidents. And I'm like, and then the whole vision was, if I can do it for personal injury successfully and viably and profitably, then I could do it for any practice type. And lo and behold, we're 3 months in, we're very successful. I've consistently generated myself for referrals, and we had members join our personal injury track. By the way, if you're a personal injury lawyer, ask about the personal injury track. Our members are getting results from that. And yeah, so the epiphany happened, that it's working well for PI, then it will work for essentially for all other practice types that you see on the list.